There are just three things that I would like to add to that Desmos regression video that I put a link to. And that has to do with particulars for assignments in the classes offered at OCCC. And some of that has to do with copying and pasting. I will show you three different formats and how you can do copy and pasting effectively. First, if you go to Pearson website, that's one of our textbooks, they have these little boxes up here. It says full data set. You click on it and click copy to clipboard. It allows you to control or command C copy. And then you go to Desmos and you paste. Awesome. In Moodle, I have some activities, and sometimes you can't copy and paste directly into Desmos, but what you can do is you can open up Microsoft Excel. I'm not sure how compatible Apple is to this, but if you have a PC, you can copy and paste into Excel. And then from Excel, you just copy and paste again into Desmos. If you try to go directly from Moodle to Desmos, doesn't necessarily work. Let's try that. Yeah, puts it as a list. So going to Excel reformats it so that you can put it into Desmos. In the same vein, if you have something that looks like this, where you have a table that's broken up, right? See, there should just be one long column. They put it into, it should just be one long 2-column table. They've made 4 columns out of it. So if you try to copy and paste this into Desmos, it looks ugly, right? Well, again, you can go to Excel and paste into there, and then just take these and copy them and paste them underneath. And now you've got something that you can copy and paste into Desmos. All right. All right, those are the copy and paste tricks. The second thing is be sure that if you have years, right, and your X is years after, right? So here, let's see, my X is years after 1890, right? Years since 1890, years after 1890. Always, always, always watch for that with the years. You're almost never, and I think that's probably safe to say, never going to use numbers like these big numbers like this for a year. You have to adjust them for years after. So you subtract off that year that it's the year after, and that'll give you how many years after. 1895 is, show you, 1895 minus 1890 is 5 years after. And so I just copy and paste all the way down the column. You can also just type in the numbers, that's fine. Right. That's good. So one more thing. If you're using a exponential, right, function, you have to click log mode. If you're using a logarithmic function, you have to click log mode. All right, that's all the extra stuff that I want to add, and I hope that that's a good introduction to regressions in Desmos.